Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.07 paired with a momentum drop of minus 0.29 in the markets. This is particularly striking because the recent sentiment shift indicates a slight positivity amidst a declining momentum, which may suggest a potential reversal or a build-up of underlying support. When you access our API, you'll receive real-time sentiment data, including semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind this shift. For example, you could leverage this data to adjust your trading algorithms, integrating sentiment-driven insights that reflect current market emotions. To explore this further and see how our API can enhance your strategies, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's decode the markets together.